2013 Hyundai Equus or whatever. Air suspension, fueling. Here it's already been done. Your fueling valve is pretty much right here under the hood, under the plastic cover. What you need to do is jack up the car when it's completely in the air. You need to, I use this guy to fill it up, or if you got the air compressor, that's all you need. Then you need a scan tool. You go into air suspension, air filling. First you go into air filling each strut separately, like a front left, front right, and then the back. Then you go into filling reservoir tank and the whole system. Now sometimes if you don't have enough pressure, it will say that it failed. Keep trying it. If it just kicks you out of the screen, turn off the ignition of the car, wait 10 seconds, turn off the scan tool or unplug it, pretty much restart everything and do it again. One time I did it with 70 pounds on this guy. Second time I cranked it up to 150. That's as much as you can go on this little pump. But I think I kind of burned up this pump, but I got the job done. So you don't need to change any valves, you don't need to do nothing special, but you have to get the system filled when the car is when the wheels are off the ground. And then I put the boards here because you have to set the car on somewhat level surface. Well, it's not perfectly level, but this one is close enough. Then you drop the car down, you go into calibration on the scan tool, you hit calibration, it's gonna ask you about the height adjustments. Usually it's preset. You just hit OK, it drops the car down, then it pumps the car back up, and that's it, you are done. If you got enough air, even with this little pump, this you don't need to do anything extra. You need the scan tool. But if you don't have a scan tool, I found a Hyundai procedure. You can do it with ignition on, off, and blah blah blah, kind of a key dance thing. So there is too many videos about how to do it, and they're all confusing. The only right way to do it is jack up the whole car, and pretty much you need to put the pressure on that port, turn on the air bleeding on the scan tool, and fill up each strut, then fill up the reservoir tank. As soon as you got everything filled, that's it. You drop the car down, you hit the calibration, and when you do the calibration, you don't need pressure anymore. It does it by itself. When the tank of when reservoir is filled, it will do it by itself. So you just need to fill up the car when it's off the ground. That's it. So I don't know why so many people make it complicated, but it's really not that hard. All right, thank you.